Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Online Account for refunds. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into your IRS Online Account for refunds, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the IRS website URL www.irs.gov. Once on the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page where you can access your IRS Online account. If you already have an account, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. After entering your username and password, double-check for accuracy. Then, click on the Sign In button to continue. If this is your first time logging in, you will need to create an account. Look for the option that says Create Account or Register on the login page. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your social security number. You will also need to create a username and password during the registration process. Once completed, submit your information to set up your account. After creating your account, return to the login page. Enter your new username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section for refunds. Follow the prompts to check your refund status or other relevant information. If you encounter any issues, consider using the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. These links will guide you through the recovery process to regain access to your account. For any further assistance, visit the IRS Help section or reach out to their customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.